And then add ice. Imagine, compose, explore. And we'll look at how to start melody writing using some basic guidelines. What's ice? Imagine, compose, explore. Sola says, first, compose freely without writing anything down. Use a recording device, such as your phone, your computer, or a video camera, to record yourself. And use the recording to assist you in writing out your composition. And you can use different dynamics, articulation, and tempo to create different sounds and adventures. Exercise 1 reads, for each of the following, compose a melody in measure 2, 3, and 4. Use the given rhythm. Now the rhythm is written above the staff, and notice both exercises have the same rhythm. Now A says, imagine what the motive, the musical idea, is about. Complete the title at the top of the piece. So imagine the music telling a story or an idea. The title, written at the top, describes the composition, and students here, they just simply have to fill in the blank. So waltzing with blank in C major is a happy sound. And then my broken blank in A minor is a sad sound. So now B says, compose a melody using repeated notes or notes that move by step. End on the tonic note, the first degree, tonic note 1. Explore the music. Add sola sparkles using dynamics and articulation. Now, watch Ayanna imagine, compose, and explore the music as she completes this exercise, Ice in C major. Okay, Ayanna, so now Sola says that we're first going to compose freely without writing anything down, but we're going to do the little rhythm, waltzing with blank. Who are you going to be waltzing with in your happy sound in C major? Who are you going to waltz with?
Probably my cat.
Your cat. Okay, beautiful. Let's hear your cat waltzing.
Or maybe this one.
Oh, that's a nice little kitty cat. Okay, let's hear your song, Ayanna. Wow, I love your song. You did an awesome job. Okay, Ayanna, so now Sola says that we're going to add some what?
Some sola sparkles.
Some sola sparkles. That's going to be fun. And so what are you going to add to your piece for sola sparkles?
A little slur.
A little slur. Okay, let's see where you're going to put your sola sparkle slur.
Right here.
Okay.
Because it would look good with that. And also here.
Oh, beautiful.
And no more sparkles, Sola. You've already had enough. No more sparkles? What?
I think you should add one more sparkle at the end, though.
Yay! Finally, one more sparkle.
One more sparkle. Okay, let's add your last one. Oh, except the fermata goes on top, so can you just erase it and put it? I like your sparkle, though, because then you get to hold that long note a little bit longer.
Longer.
Good job. Thanks, Ayanna. Sola sparkles. When completing the melody writing exercises, not only at this level, but as we explore melody writing in levels 1 through 8, we don't just want to sit at the kitchen table with a pencil and eraser and scribble down some random notes based on a few composition rules. That's really not composing. We need to imagine what kind of sound we want to create, compose our music, and then explore adding sola sparkles to complete the composition process. When Sheila McKibben-Uren and I created the Ultimate Music Theory program, we composed many of our own melodies to illustrate specific music theory concepts presented in each lesson. Now, the more you compose, the more fun you have, the more freedom you feel, and the more creative you become. Watch Ayanna as she now completes her second composition. And just a note here, all of the videos with my students were shot once. No rehearsal, just live as it happened. So here's Ice in A minor. So Ayanna, now we're going to write a little sad song in A minor. Tito looks like he's a little bit sad or maybe even scared. My broken blank. What's broken?
I don't know.
You don't
Maybe
know?
a dish or something.
Maybe a dish. He broke a little dish. He's having a little snack. Okay, so now let's hear let's hear your sad song.
He looks like, oh, I dropped my dish of popcorn.
I like that. Oh, I love it, popcorn, because what are those polka dots on top of your notes?
Popcorn.
Popcorn, and what are they called?
Staccato.
Staccato. Okay, let's hear your composition with your popcorn. Sad that you broke your dish while having popcorn. Nice. Really good job. Thanks, Ayanna. I hope Tito has his popcorn and he's happy after that. Ayanna, you did a great job of your dish of popcorn, your broken dish of popcorn. Can you point to your tonic note? Did you end on the tonic note?
Yep.
What is the tonic note?
A.
A. Okay, and we were writing a little song, and there's little Tito. So let's add our Sola Sparkles. So did you add articulation already?
Yes.
Yes. What is the articulation for your
All these,
waltzing?
the slurs, and the staccatos and tenutos.
Very good, tenutos. So now we're going to add dynamics. What are you going to add for your cat?
The kitty, I'm going to do forte, and I
Forte.
remember it's under the music since it's higher than it's meant to be.
Very good.
And the piano goes down here.
Excellent.
It's above it since it's much lower.
Very good. And then what does Tito like to do?
He likes to tap.
He likes to tap, so...
But let's say one thing. She's glad that we added a couple solar sparkles. Yay!
She is happy we added Sola Sparkles. And now Tito likes to...
He loves to tap because I think he probably would be a tap dancer.
He probably would be a tap dancer. So can you tap the rhythm?
Sure.
Okay, so you're going to grab
I'll
your
do
tap.
it with these sticks. I think
Okay.
he's a little jealous that I get to touch him. The special sticks.
All right, let's hear it. Can you say it out loud?
Sure. Tee 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 ta, tee 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 ta, ta ta ta.
Excellent. I think it's time to put a sticker on there.
Yeah.
Do you want to grab your Sola and Tito stickers?
Okay.
All right, so you can have
So-
one for your cat.
It's gonna be Sola.
Sola
Because-
for your cat. All right.
I think she prefers cats.
Okay. And then what do you want to do for Tito?
Just down here because I think he was the one who did the popcorn accident.
Did you?
Since I think it's with boys that they like to watch football and he chips the popcorn and I think he accidentally dropped it because
He
he's
did.
getting too excited.
Well, great job, Ayanna. Great job. To complete the music theory prep level, use the Prep 1 Rudiments workbook, plus the Prep Level Supplemental workbook, plus the Ultimate Music Theory app, which equals Music Theory Mastery. Now remember, you only have to purchase the UMT app once, as it includes all 6 levels that correlate to all the workbook levels.